Hey, yo, what's up, Investment Z? What's up? Man, dude, why, dude? Why? 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 Man, whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Why, man? Why? Why? Couldn't even manage that position because this damn thing froze. Like, ugh. Today has just been one of those days, those mornings, man. Mm. It's just a small little thing, like, so, man, what the hell, man? What is going on today? What is going on today, man? So last night, I just yeah, honestly, I don't even want to trade with these guys anymore, man. I really don't. I really don't want to trade with these guys. I don't want to trade with them. Like, cause every time I take out a payout or I have a bad day and I hit my personal daily loss limit, it locks out the account and I have to. So instead of the account reopening the next session, I have to reach out to them and ask them, hey, can you unlock my account? For whatever reason today or yesterday, and they still haven't unlocked the account. I had a perfect entry, man. I was planning on getting in at 485. I think I talked about that last night in last night's stream. And tell me why that thing hit my it filled me. I think I was only been in like 20 points of drawdown, but my target got super hit instantly. Instantly. Would have been up 3K in my live account and I would have called it a day. But of course, I didn't have access to my funded account, so man, I can't even manage this position, man. All right. Yeah. And I hate when I get in short. That's when the thing wants to fucking bounce, man, and stop me out, and then keep going in my direction. Like that is just so frustrating. That is frustrating. Ninja Trader 8 is just like a cuck system now. Like ever since they got acquired, it's like they just suck now. Like every time I get into a position, it freezes. I can't even manage the position the way I want to manage it. Man, come on, man. Come on. Okay. All right. Let me just do this because maybe this is what I have to do. Uh, mm, 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 900 ticks, 3 days. Probably just have like just a clean chart. No indicators. So I can just manage this from like another screen or something like that. And I feel like, and I feel like, I mean, I don't understand 'cause I don't necessarily have, at least I feel like I don't. The screen is completely. Mm, okay. Uh, so my price is not right either. My price isn't right. Okay. Mm, nice. All right. All right. All right. Mm. All right. So I'm just gonna close this position. I don't know why, man. I really don't know why. I don't know why. Mm. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why, man. Mm. Mm. And then it's still showing the wrong information. I really can't believe that. Okay. Oh, right now I'm trading Apex. I mean, right now, okay, okay, my bad. I'm talking. So, Blue Sky is a firm that I'm talking about from earlier. Mm. And this it seems like it's every day. I'm asking them to unlock the damn account, or not every day, but like I said, every time take a payout or I lose, I have a bad day. It hit my personal daily loss sum of $700 in the account. I'm asking them, can they unlock the damn account? And I'm missing this move. I missed the move this morning. I was hoping that they would have it like this move right here. And I planned this shit out because we had a low all the way from August of last year right here at 480. So I went at like 485. Man, that shit pumped all the way up, hit my target, and then some. So I'm not like right now, I'm kind of pissed about that. I'm kind of pissed about it because it's like, well, I mean, I could have had, I mean, I planned that shit and it would have super worked out. No stress, no, no. I would have been asleep. I would have literally made money in my sleep. No stress in that trade whatsoever. It just went straight up. Went straight up. hit that target. Pissed me off, man. So I mean, like like I said, ever since I started trading in a live account, I just absolutely hate it. I just hate it. I enjoyed the experience of being a sim funded trader, and from moving forward, I'm that's exactly where I'm going to stay. I'm not trying to be a live trader for no damn body again. It's not what it's cracked up to be. All right, so I might have to either reduce my risk on this because either this shit is going to shoot up or it's going to go in my direction. But if this thing shoots up, it's definitely going to squeeze back up here. Gameway, stop snitching. Stop snitching. Damn. Ah, man. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think we're gonna probably see a nasty green, an unnecessary green nasty candle right here. Yeah. We'll see, man. I'm like I said, I'm gonna keep my because it looks like the Bears got it, but man, gold is ruthless with her squeezes, man. She's ruthless. I mean, gold did something so nasty to me this morning. I like, dude, I almost stopped trading her, dude. What did she do? Man, she stopped me out. Yeah, she stopped me out and then did this after I was like, okay, let me just look for the next opportunity because I was like, well, maybe I was wrong in this long. So she stops me out and I was like, okay, let me just look for the next opportunity. And then she shoots up and does this. Man, I was like, you know what? You know what? That was nasty and unnecessary gold. You almost got kicked off the charts again. But what I will give about gold is that, you know what? She's kind of like the Nasdaq and the ES, like I've said before. And the moves are just cleaner. I mean, it just goes straight to target instead of all that stupid back and forth bull crap that the Nasdaq does before she gets to her target. Seems like there's a bunch of liquidity at 70, but and that's like S4 too. Man, shit. Honestly, that's nah, the CME group needs us. The futures market needs us. Yeah, this screen is literally frozen. It's usually this one, but it's mm, mm. You know what? Mm, I guess they could come back here, can't they? All right, cool. I gotta make sure that this is the right freaking price and stuff. No, it's not even the right price. Man, what is it, man? What is it? What is it? What is it? Do y'all not want me trading Nasdaq or something? Like none of my like dude, none of the prices for Nasdaq is right on any of my charts right now. Not one. They're all wrong. I mean, at one point in time, this was okay, but it just seems like it's not. Okay, let me see if they'll give me access to it. Let me see if they'll give me access to it. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Yeah. Yeah, I apologize, guys. I have no clue what the heck is going on right now. Ninja Trader has definitely been disappointing me lately. It's definitely has. With it freezing, It's showing the wrong price, the lags. I don't know if this has to do with them being acquired. I don't know, but at least for me, they suck. Um, okay. I really don't even know how much of a balance I even have in this account, honestly. I don't know. Let's look at that before I start. I mean, I haven't traded in this account in so long. I don't know how much money I got in this account. So I made what 3,038. I made 3,000 in this account. So I mean, I should have already passed this account, right? Unless I blew it or something. Okay, I don't know. All right, so let's do that. Let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is actually, so for me for the rest of the stream, I'm just gonna close out on NinjaTrader 8. I made $13,000 today. I'm gonna leave it at that. Because if I continue to trade this, I have no clue what the hell is gonna happen. So um, yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I close out all my orders. I wanted to pass this account, but I guess I have to do that next week because it's not even showing the right price on NinjaTrader R. So I'm just gonna close it out. Okay, I'll close it out. Hold on, give me a second. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. All right. I'm just going to. I'm not going to trade my. I'm not going to trade my account. I'm a. I'll just have it. Dude, I'm tired of talking to these people, man. Yeah, I'm never. I'm never. This is gonna be my last time trading with Blue Sky. Like, is this nothing wrong? It's just the inconvenience of it all. They've paid out. It's just that it's so inconvenient. Like I missed so many moves because my accounts are not available right now, and it's all this money that I could have made today. I made $13,000 in a fucking eval, and I could have made that shit in a goddamn account, man. It's pissing me off. And all that fucking money in that goddamn eval. Mm. So I just told them don't even make my account available today because I'll just revenge trade and probably blow the fucking account. I can't like, dude, I literally can't believe that. I mean, I can understand maybe overnight, but it's still not available at New York Open. Like, come on, man. Okay. Shit. We'll see. We'll see if this damn thing's available. Mm, mm, okay. And we do got Powell speaking too. We got Powell speaking. Mm, hold on. Hold on. It. All right. So where's price at now? 790. All right. So where has it already gone? All right. So 7925. So 845 be all the way down here. All right. So you already hit 845, I think. Mm. All right, so where we are. So 1830. Oh, actually, let me ask them before, because I don't know if Top Step is. I'm not no. I don't know if Top Step is if we're not supposed to be trading Top Step right now because of the rule. If anybody knows, please. But so it's only down 3% right now. Okay. I'm going long at 927. I'm going long at 927. I don't know. Let me see. And honestly, I think I might. I mean, if yeah, I'm not trading no more with Blue Sky. That shit really pissed me off, man. That really pissed me off. I am so like I'm pissed. 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 So it says it's live in 60 minutes at 10:25 a.m. All right. So, oh shit. At that time, we'll be done with the stream. So I guess we don't have to worry about Powell. Okay. You don't have to worry about that. But moving forward, so I put a lot of thought into this. I will be trading. I will be focusing my trading style on as if I'm trading micros. I'm going to only set limits. I will actively trade in terms of putting my limits in areas where I think the market can pull back into and we can see a reaction. But buy stops are no longer, or let me be very clear because I want to I don't want to contradict myself. I'm going to be moving towards not even using buy stops anymore. Just waiting for the market to come to me and just kind of getting back to the roots. Because, yeah, I actively trade. Yeah, I can make a lot of money, but when I was actually sitting down, game planning this thing, and actually just thinking about it, like, when was the last time I caught 100 points on the Nasdaq? When was the last time I did that? When was the last time I caught 500 points? And I haven't done that in a long time. And it's not because I don't, it's because I'm actively trading and I'm getting in and getting out. Not saying that there's anything wrong with that, but I used to be get like 200 points, 300 points like it was nothing. And I moved away from that. And I kind of want to get back to that. And then plus trading the Nasdaq, like every time I think about, well, if I trade gold, I mean, well, shit. If I trade the Nasdaq the same way I trade gold, I mean, I can make way more money. So it's like, I just come to the realization that it's me. It's nothing else. It's me, and I've just accepted the fact that it's me. Um, once I clean up my act in terms of looking at the market, seeing where we see the reactions at, getting out at areas of supply, and just waiting for the confirmation. We can definitely achieve a lot. I mean, we achieve a lot now, but it can be more cleaner. We can make a lot more money because I've kind of done it, and my one contract would have made more money. Like the move that I planned out this morning would have made more money on that one contract than I have just actively trading, getting in and out of, or maybe just the same with a lot less execution. And and all I did to make well, if my account was available, I would have made $3,200 and only risked $600. A 1 to 5 risk to reward. I mean, you can't even beat that. Mm. I mean, we could see a bounce here, but hopefully, I'm reading the market right, and it hits my limit order and then bounces. Excuse me. So I mean, I think we see a bounce here or somewhere around here. I mean, I think we do. I mean, we do got a, and we do got that low right there. And unless they want to come back all the way down to, hold on, what? Got that low right there. All right, we'll see. I mean, honestly, all right, here comes the potential tap in. Let's see if the Nasdaq's going to be merciful and not nasty to me. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Damn. I mean, what a move. That would be a move right there. Hold on, what? 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 No way. No. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I always seem to find it interesting that whenever I get in short, that's when the market wants to do the pumps. And when I get in long, it wants to do the shorts. Mm. It wants to stop me out and then go in the direction and continue on. 825. That's 17, 825. Yeah, I know gain weight. I know that is not just me. I know. Okay. All right. Yeah. You say you haven't. Where'd you get in at? Are you in long or are you in short? Yeah, Griffin trade, and like I said, that's what I'm gonna move back towards. I think that's how I want to showcase myself while on the stream is showing that you can make a lot of money with just one contract and not having to scalp. Because I will say this, uh, scalping for me personally is mentally exhausting. Uh, I'm not proud to admit it, but sometimes I just get up if I'm just bored, and then I'll get into an account that I haven't put any hard work into, start scalping, and find myself chasing profits, chasing losses, and at the end of it, I am just so mentally exhausted. I'm like, man, how does anybody trade this way? It's so chaotic and erratic. It's hard to be consistent that way, at least for me. I'm pretty sure it's the same for you as well. It's just hard being consistent that way because if you're just scalping, and especially with the Nasdaq pulling back, and you just don't know. Especially if you're trading heavy size with it as well. I've just come to us. Yeah. At this point, it's like, you know what? And honestly, like I said, I'm kind of glad that I kind of started doing that. And honestly, I might just go back to Top Step, not because I think that they're like a super great company or anything, but I mean, unless other trading platforms have it. Actually, if I think Blue Sky is saying something about they're going to actually have something similar to Top Step X, that Project X stuff. I think I might just stick to this platform because the one thing that I like and hate at the same time, I wish there was a trailing stop. I mean, I think this is like the closest thing to it where I can protect myself from myself with a trailing stop. Because if I don't have a trailing stop, then, well, y'all saw I was just up like $1,000 and that shit came all the way back to almost a break even. So this is why I need a trailing stop. But actually, no, no, no. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I'm only going to stick with one contract. Either it hits my stop or it hits my target. So this is going to put me in a position that I have to literally plan my trades out. I have to plan my trades because if I don't, then. Hmm. But at the same time, I also don't like the fact that I was up $1,000 and I can potentially get my stop hit either. So I mean, this is going to be a lot of. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Yeah. All right. And that's why I need a trailing stop. That's why I need a trailing stop. So I just feel like I just hate. I just. I just need a perfect trading platform that does all these things. Yeah, I bet they're happy. You know what, man? All right. And I doubt it though. I mean, shit. I mean, there's a lot of liquidity right here, so I mean, I doubt it. And then the market is just super selling off. Like these bears ain't giving no types of fucks. This is a sell day, I guess. They're not giving no type of fuck right now. Mm, all right. I'm kind of glad I told these people not to unlock my account because, man. All right, so I will say that I'm glad I closed home. Oh, you bitch. Oh my god, dude. Come on. You better drop. You better drop. You better drop. You better drop. All right, so I guess right now just get it, dude. I guess just getting in short is the only way today. This thing ain't bouncing. This thing just gonna sell off. Everybody's taking profits. Everybody is fearful. They're not they ain't trying to hear none of this shit today. They ain't hmm, hmm. You know the rules. No. No. Uh no. Uh. No. Mm. Mm. No. 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 Mm. 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 Uh, mm. My bad. Mm. Well, I was looking for this Griffin trade. I mean, the areas I'm getting into is, I mean, it's potential support. It's not like I'm randomly getting in long. I was trying to catch this, but man. Mm. I mean, let me see if I can try to make a little bit of money in this. Dude, as soon as oh my God. It's like, dude, as soon as I get long for real. Mm. Why did it stop me out like that? All right. All right, man. All right, man. All right. 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 Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Nice. 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 As soon as I get in long, this dude, it had like, dude, like I said, it's me. It's me. This thing was shooting up. Then all of a sudden I get in long, I long the top, and then it just reverses. It's me. Okay, so it's me. Okay. All right, let's see. It's me. It's me. Oh, it's like $500, huh? You're not gonna do me this solid, Nasdaq. You're not gonna do me this solid. Uh, man, dude, what the fuck? Wow. Bitch. Oh my. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my god. Ah, man. What? Man, what? Oh, wow. All right, man. All right. All right. What? 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 Mm. Oh, wow. 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 Wow, dude. Like, what? Hold on. Why are these? Hold on. Why is it saying ineligible? Dude, I don't know what the hell is going on today. I don't know what the hell is going on today. What the hell is going on today? Why is the Nasdaq doing this? What? NQ? Why? 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 Ugh. What? Ugh. Mm. Mm. All right, man. Hold on, what? Damn, dude. Man, I highly doubt that this will work, but I highly doubt it'll work. I knew it. I knew it. I was like, dude, ain't no fucking way, man. I would have been surprised if they answered. Nice. shit, made too much money. No, I'm not playing that game. And yeah, because I just realized that all three of these accounts hit maximum daily loss limit. All right, you know what, man? I'm just glad that I'm glad I locked myself out of all my funded accounts today. I went super till. I got this rule that if I buy a new account, I have to pay extra on a bill. And altogether, I spend about like maybe $600 or $700, probably even more than that. So yeah, I probably spent like $800 or $900 every time I pay for a combine, or because uh, I spent so much money on these combines over time. I'm like, you know what? All that money could have went towards something else, like maybe like a car, like paying extra on a car note or something like that. So now my new rule is if I have enough money to blow these accounts and reset them and buy another one, then I have enough money to. Bro, fuck that. That means that I have enough money to pay extra on bills. So now I'm gonna just start doing that. And I mean, I stuck to the rule. I mean, I did it, but mm, I paid a couple of months in advance. I will say that. Foolish, man. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but man, all the money that I made today, like I'm just so mad that it's okay. Let me rephrase that. I'm not mad. It's just frustrating. I'm annoyed, frustrated because I made all that money and it went nowhere. Literally, it literally went nowhere, and it just seems like, man, I don't know, man. It's so frustrating. And then the shit finally, like, and then the Nasdaq did that crap. Like it did it, man. Obviously, I'm pretty sure y'all know that this sent me right here. It was this shit right here, just stopping me out and then hitting my target bullshit. Like I don't even know how I got caught in that. This thing literally stopped me out and then it runs to my fucking target. Wow. Mm. And Griff can trade if you're still there. This is why I was trying to long. I was trying to catch something like this. Where this thing finally 755, 655. This is what I was trying to catch. Mm. Uh, uh, uh. Yeah, I probably would have given it some more. Yeah, I mean you're right. Man. Muhammad, I'm not doing great. Today was just not. It just seems like for whatever reason, everything that could have went wrong today. First, I had a trade planned out last night. I was hoping that I would be able to get into my live account before then. Uh, my level hits overnight, my targets hit overnight, and my account is still logged. These people, I make $13,000 in a fucking eval. And then, I mean, it's like, it just seems like everything is building, like it's building, 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 building. Mm. And then I went tilt and I blew 3 top step accounts just for it to stop me out, blow the account, and then hit my target. And it's, I don't know if the world is trying to test me right now, but I am super tilt right now. And the worst thing about being super tilt is that you don't have nothing to take your anger out on or your tilt energy out on. I'm not going to get any more accounts. Honestly, I think I'm at the maximum amount of accounts that you can even get with Top Step. I think I only have 5. Ninja Trader 8 was freezing up on me all day. I'm starting to really hate Ninja Trader 8. Like I really am. I really am starting to hate Ninja Trader 8 now. It used to be a solid platform, but once it got acquired by that crypto, what is it, Kraken? It just seems like now the platform, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if this is like one of those venture capital things where they buy a company, they break it down and sell the parts. I don't know if that's what's happening over there at Ninja Trader 8, but uh, I have never had an issue trading on their platform until recently, and I'm not doing anything differently. I mean, all this beautiful volatility, all the money that could have been made, and it's going nowhere. And you kind of get, I'm just tired of it. I'm just tired of it. I'm just tired of all the little inconveniences here and there. I'm just tired of it. Hold on, hold on. Top Step doesn't have did Top Step do away with their daily loss limit? Is there still a daily loss limit on Top Step? It's been like it has been super long. They didn't take away their daily loss limit, right? Oh shit, there's not? Oh shit. Hold on. Is that something that is that something new that hold on. Why the hell would they do that? Ah shit. Damn. I didn't know that. I mean, this is my first time trading Top Step in a freaking while. I did not know that. All right, so I guess that's Powell. Honestly, I don't even want to trade on Ninja Trader 8 for a while, man. I really don't. Like that shit is pissing me off, man. Every fucking time it's pissing me off. Mm. Well, it's supposed to be on, so I guess what we'll do is we'll just do that. $17. Okay. I mean, what's a good like $1,800 lock and liquidate? 4,500 lock and actually probably like I guess I could do it that way, huh? Lock and liquidate 540. Oh, yo, that dude, that's crazy. What do you mean it's the two time frames where people lose the most money is not available? Yeah, nice one, Top Step. Nice one. This is this is exactly the session I want to lock myself out from trading. Why would you lock yourself out from trading on New York? That doesn't make sense. I guess it's at the start of the session. Okay. I knew it was gonna do that shit. Nasdaq don't ever change. I might actually start losing money if you do. Okay.
Survey and market-based measures of near-term inflation expectations have moved up. By most measures, longer-term inflation expectations, those beyond just the next few years, remain well anchored and consistent with our 2% inflation goal. We remain committed to returning inflation sustainably to our 2% objective. Turning to monetary policy, we face a highly uncertain outlook with elevated risks of both higher unemployment and higher inflation. The new administration is in the process of implementing substantial policy changes in 4 distinct areas: trade, immigration, fiscal policy, and regulation. Our monetary policy stance is well positioned to deal with the risks and uncertainties we face as we gain a better understanding of the policy changes and their likely effects on the economy. It is not our role to comment on those policies. Rather, we make an assessment of their likely effects, observe the behavior of the economy, and set monetary policy in a way that best achieves our dual mandate goals. We have stressed that it will be very difficult to assess the likely economic effects of higher tariffs until there is greater certainty about the details, such as what will be tariffed, at what level, and for what duration, and the extent of any retaliation from our trading partners. While uncertainty remains elevated, it is now becoming clear that tariff increases will be significantly larger than expected. And the same is likely to be true of the economic effects, which will include higher inflation and slower growth. The size and duration of these effects remains uncertain. While tariffs are highly likely to generate at least a temporary rise in inflation, it's also possible that the effects could be more persistent. Avoiding that outcome would depend on keeping longer-term inflation expectations well anchored, on the size of the effects, and on how long it takes for them to pass through fully to prices. Our obligation is to keep longer-term inflation expectations well anchored and to make certain that a one-time increase in the price level does not become an ongoing inflation problem. We'll continue to carefully monitor the incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. We're well positioned to wait for greater clarity before considering any adjustments to our policy stance. It is too soon to say what will be the appropriate path for monetary policy. We understand the benefits of a solid economy
hopefully he's not trying to go for that gap.
Jobs and inflation is low and predictable. We also understand that elevated levels of unemployment or inflation can be damaging and painful for communities, families, and businesses. That is why we at the Fed will continue to do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.
Thank you for being here. This feels like quite a moment to be speaking with you. I want to thank you for your time. He's got it. I want to thank you for being here and thank you for taking the time to speak with this group of business journalists. Also like to give a special thanks to Heather Long with the Washington Post, who helped make this event possible. So for starters, sir, how's your week been?
Just fine, thank you.
Care to elaborate?
So
No,
far, so good.
trying to drop the
Chair
market.
Powell, yes, thank you so much for being here and taking our questions. You were talking about the economy as being a very strong economy. You characterized inflation as coming down, employment as being very strong still. However, President Trump earlier this week, when asked about the market volatility we've been seeing, said the volatility was, quote, to be expected. This is a patient that was very sick. We inherited a terrible economy. A lot of voters did and do agree with that assessment, or at least in part. I'm wondering how you would respond to that assessment and the disconnect between the story of the data and the way a lot
Man,
of people are feeling.
come
about the
on,
economy.
man.
Sure, so let me
Come
just
on.
be clear at the
Come
start.
on.
I make
Serious.
a practice not to respond
Come
to
on, man.
any elected officials' comments, so I don't want to be seen to be doing that. It's just not appropriate for me. But the situation, I think, is this, and people, when they're surveyed, they are unhappy about the economy. That seems to largely reflect the increase in the price level that happened when inflation was high, 2021, 22, and 23, largely. Inflation is now back down to much more normal levels. Unemployment is low. The economy has been growing, but people are still experiencing that high price level. In other words, prices don't go down. They know they're paying much more for the basic necessities of life, and they're right that they are, and they're not happy about it, and they're right not to be happy about it. So I think that accounts for the negative sentiment. Of course, we're looking at inflation, which is the change in prices, and we're seeing that has come down quite a bit, and that unemployment is actually low. It's sort of very close to measures of maximum employment, and the economy is growing. So all those statistics are good, but the price increases of the past few years are weighing on people's budgets.
So I'm from Milwaukee, and I've been talking to business leaders, executives, and consumers in our community, our region, for the last few weeks, mostly before this week's news. Chairman, they're troubled and they're nervous. One business owner told me, if there's a hint of a recession,
All right,
we're
man.
cooked.
All right.
And he asked me to share that with you.
Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I got to hop in
What's
this
your
meeting.
response?
So I guess I would say, let's start with the fact that the incoming data right through this morning's employment report, which admittedly is from roughly a month ago, the week of March 12, they took the data in. It still shows us a solid economy.
Actually, that's
Unemployment's
it for me
still
today.
low.
I'm just going to close everything down. I
understand
am
the
super tilt
uncertainty
right
that's
now.
weighing on people.
And because of that, I'm not seeing the market, and
you ask about a
I'm just
recession,
spending and losing money.
We
So
don't actually.
we'll come back on
We
Sunday,
don't make a probability
and we'll
forecast of
definitely
how likely it is for there to be a
look for
recession.
more
but
ways to
many
earn some more
outside
money.
Forecasters
And with
do,
that said,
and many of them
peace out,
have
everybody.
raised the likelihood,
Have a good
albeit
weekend.
from very low
Peace.
levels. It's not